Hi, welcome to my channel. This is a prototype of a Stirling engine. This is a glass bottle, and this is a hot boiling water, but the experiment doesn't work. This is a cold water container, about 20 Celsius degree, and this is about 90 Celsius degree. The air inside the bottle expands and cools suddenly in this container, in this cold water container, and I put a liter of water here. I thought that the level of water will reciprocate linearly and cause a reciprocating movement like this, because the differential of the temperature between the hot container and the cold container